See you again. Enjoy your holiday. Wow. Big dinner. Come to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday. Bali. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the fashion at the moment in Legian Bali on Melasti Street and also Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the fashion right at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali on Melasti Street and also Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how this is right at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And our unit is that from the junction on Raya Legian Street. Wow, sorry. Maybe the quality of camera is not really good because now it's quite dark. But we hope together this video will give you an information about the update session at the moment in in Legian Bali, the shopping center area in Legian Bali. This is Melasti Street. Not really busy yet. And this is Legian Art Market. Yeah. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today and also at Garlic Line. And this video, I make video on 6 p.m. Sunset will going down very soon in 20 minutes. Yeah, this is Legian Art Market. It's very quiet, isn't it? Sorry. Yeah, looks so busy over there. It's good. Left side, same. Few tourists over there, same. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Legian Bali on Melasti Street and also Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And don't forget to do that because I will always update the news fashion in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Hello! See you again. Wow, so pretty. They happy. They are all stop happy because tourists come in more and more. So quiet, isn't it? Usually in this area, also I was busy. This is Legian Golden Square. See? Yeah, it is not really busy actually in this area now. I don't know why. Because maybe they are going to the beach to see the sunset. Because sunset is going down very soon. That's why not really busy in this area. But yeah, we're still happy because the shop and our market, they're still open. They're trying and trying to get business. Because as we know together around this time, after the pandemic, Bali is still very quiet, so they have to fight with their life. Rent the shop is also not cheap in Bali, so that's why they're keep trying to get customer, even very quiet. Like around this time, they're still open. Usually they close like 5 p.m. Okay, now we are nearby Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Yeah, this is Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Let's see how busy in this area today. Oh, sorry. Stick.
Mau lihat menunya dulu.
Udah saya nggak balik ke dulu.
Oh gitu.
Kamu saya juga udah kesini kok.
Oke.
Yeah, just yummy stick in here at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Enjoy your holiday. Wah, big dinner. Not easy for the big car. Hello, welcome to Bali, brother. Yeah, it's quite dark now because it's already 6:15. Wow. And some loud music around here. Wow. Let's make a move so fast. Yeah. Let's go in. Wow. So loud, the music over there. Across the street at the restaurant. Yeah, future is over there. It's good. Let's cross the street. Let's see around there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, big car. Not so bad, isn't it? But so quiet. Not as usually. Yeah, around this time, Garlic Lane not really busy because it's not a shopping time. Billy 69 bar. Woohoo! Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday. Bali, Bali, Bali. Wow, big party.
Follow Krishna.
Oh, Krishna, you my friend.
Yeah.
Krishna, Uncle Chen.
Uncle Chan.
Lot
Bagus.
yeah, bagus. Okay, enjoy your holiday.
We watch out.
Oh, thank you. Hah? Balik travel vlog. Yeah, quite busy here. That's good. Wow, at the restaurant also. Fitri is over there. That's good. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday. Huh? Search again.
I forgot which one you are.
Bali travel vlog. Bali travel vlog.
I watch you like every week.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much for watching my
On
video.
this road,
Yeah?
we got met here last year, and I'll talk to you about Uncle Chan.
Oh,
Down here.
yeah, around here.
Friend too.
Yes, yes.
This restaurant, amazing. We've come 3 days in a row.
Oh, really? Wow. Thank you for giving information. That's good.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? Enjoy your dinner. Bye bye. They look so happy. That's good. Everyone's so happy here. Woo. She's also know me. Wow. Not so busy because not shopping time. Shopping time just after dinner they will be back for shopping. Hello. Wow. $1 man over there, but she's not there. Hello. Whew. Oops. Hello. Welcome to Bali. The local restaurant at the left side. Usually I was busy over there. You see that? Yeah. Not bad. Wow. It's quite busy over there, isn't it? That's good. And this is Suriwati. Happy restaurant. Also have one on the beach. At Legian Beach, Bali. Hello. It's very quiet here. It's strange. Oh, welcome to Bali. Hello, hi brother. Wow, welcome to Bali, brother.
Aussie, Bella.
Hi. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. That's good. Sounds so good. Yeah.